Denture fabrication, customizing prosthetics for comfort. Dentures play an important role in restoring smiles and confidence of people that have lost the natural teeth. The importance of a properly fitted and comfortable denture can't be understated. The ability to customize prosthetics for the perfect fit and ease to each patient is vital for ensuring success in the fabrication of dentures. In this short video, we'll explore how denture manufacturing works and the steps to follow creating custom-made prosthetics to ensure comfort. 1. Impressions taking. The very first procedure in denture creation involves taking impressions of the mouth area of the patient. The process involves the use of an impression material in order to make an impression of teeth and the tissues around them. An exact impression is vital in ensuring the proper fitting for the tooth. 2. Bite registration. When the impression is made, a bite registration completed to determine the relationship between the lower and upper jaws. This is to ensure that the denture is fitted well and function properly whenever the patient eats and chews. 3. A custom tray is made. Following an individual tray is constructed to house the impression material that will be placed in an eventual mold. This tray is custom designed to ensure the impression is exact and captures all necessary specifics for making the denture. 4. Wax rim manufacturing. A wax rim can be made using the special tray that is used to determine the appropriate dimensions and length of the teeth that will be fitted into the denture. This helps to determine the right size and location of teeth, ensuring the most natural and comfortable shape. 5. The selection of the teeth. Once the wax rim is placed, the dentist can decide on the proper dimension, shape, and color of the tooth that will be the part of the denture. This is the most important part, making sure the prosthetic is custom made to fit the individual's teeth as well as facial features. 6. The try-in is a test-in procedure where the wax denture takes place to determine the suitability as well as the aesthetics and ease of use that the prosthetic provides. Any modifications needed to ensure functioning and fit are made in this phase to ensure the denture is in line with requirements of the patient. 7. Final processing. If the attempt-in has been successful, the final tooth is crafted using the finest material to guarantee durability and a long life. The denture is cleaned and polished so that it appears natural and to blend in seamlessly with the smile of the patient. 8. Following up care. After the denture has been handed over to the patient, further treatments and adjustments are needed to assure that the denture is comfortable and properly fitted. A regular visit to the dentist is essential to maintain the quality and function of the tooth. Making sure that prosthetics are adapted to your preferences is vital in the creation of dentures for patients to be able to consume food, communicate, and smile comfortably. Following the instructions in this instructional video and having a professional who is skilled as a dental practitioner, people will benefit from having a comfortable and well-fitted denture that improves their overall level of living. Denture manufacturing is a complex process that requires precision as well as concentration on the details to produce prosthetics designed to provide ease of use. Working with a skilled dentist and observing these steps in this tutorial, people will be able to create a perfectly fitted and comfortable denture, which will help restore confidence and their smile.